Over 60% of recruitment agencies are already using AI to enhance their hiring process. And the top performing ones, they're not just using AI, they're scaling with it. AI isn't here to replace recruiters. It's here to make them faster, smarter, and more impactful. Because there's one thing AI can't do, build relationships. That's your superpower. But here's what AI can do. Chase follow-ups. Spot and update outdated data. Trigger workflows based on what's happening in your ATS. Imagine this. You cut your time to hire in half. You never miss a qualified candidate. You automate 70% of your busy work and deliver a better candidate experience than ever before. This is recruitment reimagined with AI as your co-pilot. We're past the point of asking, should we use AI? The real question is, how and when should you use AI? Because agencies that adapt early aren't just surviving, they're multiplying revenue per recruiter and leading the market. Let's break down how AI is transforming recruitment and why your agency can't afford to sit this out. First, speed and efficiency. ATS systems date back to the 1980s, and resume parsing appeared in the early 2000s. They've gotten better, but they're still rigid. They rely heavily on exact keywords. AI changes that. If a candidate doesn't list a skill explicitly but has relevant experience, AI will still identify that candidate as relevant. That's the difference. Intelligence, not just pattern matching. Agencies using AI-driven tools report hiring cycles up to 70% faster. Second, smarter matching. AI reads more than keywords. It understands context, unconventional experience, career pivots, transferable skills. AI gets it. This isn't about replacing human judgment, it's about giving recruiters a head start. You're surfacing top talent before your competitors even pick up the phone. Third, engagement at scale. Let's be real. "I'll get back to you" is a recruiter's favorite white lie. But candidates expect updates. And doing that for every single one? Impossible, manually. With AI, every candidate gets timely updates, interview reminders, and even prep emails. Recruiter Flow users send thousands of personalized emails and follow-ups, all without lifting a finger. More engagement equals more conversations, equals more closures. It's not about sounding premium, it's about being productive. Finally, massive productivity gains. Recruiters spend over 60% of their day on admin. With Recruiter Flow automation, agencies are saving 3+ hours per recruiter per day. That time goes into real work. Client calls, deal closings, relationship building. Recruiter Flow doesn't just automate, it compounds your team's output. AI is here, it's working, and it's turning everyday recruiters into unstoppable revenue engines.